administration, Board of Education members, families, friends, and of course, the graduating class of 2025. I remember sitting in class earlier this year thinking about what I was going to say once I got up here. And to be honest, I watched hours worth of TikToks, and some hours of attention too, trying to get decide. But the truth is, no amount of scrolling or sitting in silence could prepare me for my speech. Just like high school, everything we have done is self-inflicting, including me running for president and having to give the speech. Before we get any further, let's get the important part out of the way. We made it. Not only did we make it individually, but as a group, we started from the bottom, and now the whole team's here. Looking back to our first years of high school, they don't seem so distant. The first football game, the first time seeing new faces in the hallways, our first time with a girlfriend or a boyfriend, and our first time driving. All these precious moments you'll never forget, no matter how much you love or dislike your high school experience. But seriously, thank you. Thank you to our teachers who pushed us or let us have a minute to ourselves, even when we were getting blank stares at 8 a.m. Thank you to the parents and guardians who supported us, even when we said there's no homework and you somehow believed us. And everyone in the small community who cheered us on, even when many of us were not sure if we'd make it. Thank you. Sure, we learned the academic stuff, but we also learned how to deal with disappointment, how to support one another, and how to bounce back when life hit us with a Mr. Ross chem quiz we were not ready for. High school taught us way more than was in the textbooks. Taught us how to keep going. Now we're headed into the real world, whether that is college, work, the military, or maybe just figuring things out still. But if we're being honest, I'm sure none of us really know what we're doing yet, and that's okay. No one has it all figured out. Seeing everyone in the cap and gown, I'm reminded that this moment is a result of years of hard work, late nights, and unhealthy amounts of caffeine. We've made it through the tough classes, unexpected curveballs, and awkward presentations we would like to forget about. But the important thing here is we learn to keep showing up, to adapt, and to grow. Everything I've said has been summed up better by arguably one of the greatest poets of all time, Christopher Wallace, also known as Notorious B.I.G. Stay far from timid, only make moves when your heart is in it, and live the phrase, sky's the limit. Thank you.